don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Right, that's enough of that. Important message from Bob there, Bob Marley. Everything's going to be alright. And my name is Gareth, and I'm one of the course leaders for travel and tourism at Lewes College. And who I'm talking to right now is the students that have signed up to come to study with us in September, and the students that are potentially thinking to come and study travel and tourism at Lewes College in September 2021. And as Bob said there, don't worry, we've got a strong teaching team in place for you, waiting for you, to meet you and spend time with you, educating you and helping you get qualifications in the area of travel and tourism. Now, what I thought would be a good idea now is, as opposed to me talking you through some of the things that we're going to get up to, should you come and study with us, what you're going to learn is different subject areas like you've learned in school, but these subject areas will look at a specific part of the travel and tourism industry: the cruise sector, marketing, customer service, airline operations, how airport works, how travel agency works. Those are the things that we're going to be looking at closely in September. And I will go through that, obviously, closer at the time. But what I thought would be a good idea now is not so much hearing from myself and giving you a full explanation of what we get up to, but I thought it'd be a good idea to hear from people that have lived through the thing that you're about to embark on or thinking of embarking on. So what I've created is numerous clips of ex-students who were 14, 15, 16 years old, as you are now, and they made a decision. They made a decision to come to Lewes College and study travel and tourism. And they lived it. They experienced it. So I think it'd be a good idea for you to hear from them about how they felt about it, their experience, what avenues, paths and opportunities have resulted by studying with us. And formally, I'll catch up with you in face-to-face at a later date. Very strange times we find ourselves in. The big message from me during these times is be safe. Hope everybody is well and hope everyone's families are well. And I will catch up with you face to face as soon as we can. Take care, everybody. Have a lovely summer.
Hi guys, my name is AHMED. I'm a customer service manager for British Airways based at Gatwick. I studied travel and tourism between the years of 2011 and 2013 at Lewes. I loved the course. I found the course leaders and the lecturers were fantastic. The assignment and the courseworks were really, really helpful, really good. I've made loads of good friends. Many of them I'm still friends with today. A lot of them are all at the airport. Some of them have all gone into different areas of the travel industry. One key moment that I really remember from college was probably the overseas trips. Really liked them, really enjoyed them. We got to go to Rome and Naples and Sorrento, got to see all the coast all up around Italy and see all the sites and things like that. So it's a great place to study. If you want to head there, off you go.
Hi everyone, I studied travel and tourism between the years of 2012 and 2014 and absolutely loved it. Considering I didn't know what I wanted to do with my career, I chose travel and tourism because of the varied content that you learn, and it looked really fun and interactive, which it was. I came out with 2 distinction stars and a distinction at the end of it, which I didn't think I'd get. And we went on cool trips like New York and Disneyland Paris, which all interlined with all the subjects that we were learning and the different units at the time. So I went on cool trips with my friends. I've got lifelong friends now and I still keep in contact with the teachers now. So from leaving college at the age of 18, I came here to Gatwick and I was a check-in and gate agent for a handling agent which handled about 15 different airlines at the time. So straight in at the deep end, working for the face of the airlines, checking in and boarding passengers, which was great fun. I then moved on and was BA cabin crew for a year and a half out of Gatwick, which again gave me lifelong experiences and it helped me grow up quite a bit, if I'm honest. I now work for Gatwick Airport and I do airfield operations, which is the coolest job ever. Never even knew it existed, and here I am today, absolutely loving it, and I will be here forevermore. So I do things like open and close the runway, we do runway inspections, I get to park planes, which is pretty cool, considering that when I left school I had no idea what I was going to do with my life. As you can tell, I've been in more than one different sector in the airline and travel industry, and I wouldn't have been able to do any of that without the travel and tourism course that I did at Sussex College. So if you choose it, good luck and have great fun.
My name's Minnie and I studied travel and tourism in the years 2012 to 2014. I absolutely loved the subject as the teachers were incredible, I made some amazing friends, and the subjects that we studied enabled me to gain the relevant skills and knowledge in order to break into the travel industry. We studied units such as UK transport, working as a holiday rep. We also studied business travel and cabin crew. These subjects gave me, as I said, the relevant skills and knowledge in order to break into the industry, and I've gone into working for quite a few different companies, such as I've worked as a holiday rep for TUI in Ibiza, Greece and also France. I've also worked at Gatwick Airport on check-in and boarding. I've worked for Virgin Atlantic for the last couple of years as cabin crew. So without my time at Sussex Downs, I don't think I would have been able to be where I am today. I'm forever grateful, and I know that anyone studying travel at Sussex Downs or Lewes College is going to really enjoy it. So put your head to it, and I hope you really enjoy it.
Hello everyone, my name is Sam Buchanan and I'm one of the course coordinators at East Sussex College, Lewes. And a very warm welcome to you today and to all about our courses and what we have to offer at the college. Now, some of you will be joining us in September and some of you will be thinking about joining us the following year. So there's lots to offer. I teach on all the courses and we offer from level 2 to level 3, and additionally we offer a cabin crew course as well. But more of that will appear on our slides later in this presentation. So I'd just like to tell you a little bit about myself. I've been teaching now for 11 years in different colleges, and I have a vast experience of teaching different types of qualifications with different examining boards. And also, but my main passion and interest is aviation, because I spent 24 years working at London Gatwick Airport, and I bring that into the classroom, and I have lots of very funny stories to tell you and things that have happened to me in my career, famous people I've met and exciting places that I've been able to visit through the many opportunities that the travel and tourism industry has offered to me through my career working at the airport. So those opportunities will be available to you if you choose to follow travel and tourism as your chosen career. And there's so many different aspects to the job varieties that we offer. It's not just at the airport or cabin crew. There's all sorts of things that we can do, from marketing to IT, designer brochures, online brochures, there's tour operators, the shipping industry, the cruise industry, everything you can possibly imagine, visitor attractions, everything around you really, it has an impact on the travel and tourism industry. And what you're going through right now, this coronavirus as well, this pandemic that we're experiencing, is very important to the industry, not just because of the impact it's had on it, but the impact it will have on in future years as well. And that will be very much part of your study while you're with us. So you're actually learning already. So it'd be very nice to meet you face to face, and I'm sure that will happen very soon and things will get back to normal. So over to my next colleague and to see what they have to say about themselves. Take care everyone, stay safe, stay well. Bye.
Hi, I'm Jane and I'm one of the lecturers in travel and tourism. So you'll be seeing me at some point during your course. I teach customer service, travel and tourism destinations, and lots of other interesting units. I'm really glad you've come along to find out more about travel and tourism. And if you like travel and going to different places and meeting people, or you're just interested, you can find out a lot more from previous students. They'll tell you all about it. Okay? Bye. Hope to see you soon.
I study travel at Lewes College and I cannot recommend it enough. I can't praise the teachers enough, from Gareth being so supportive through the whole thing. I really enjoyed the subject. It was really fun to learn. There were so many different modules. On top of learning obviously in the classroom, we did some really fantastic trips to Thorpe Park where we learned about obviously the way they work, and we also went on some fantastic trips to Italy where we did Rome and Sorrento. I've met some of my best friends at Lewes College. The subject and the teachers are such amazing resources to get you into the travel industry straight after. Straight after college, I actually went straight into a job at Thompson in the shops, and then I went on to work for Hayes and Jarvis, which is a luxury travel operator, and now I currently work for Travelbound, which was within the education sector, and I couldn't have done that without going to Lewes College. So good luck, and definitely choose Lewes College for travel and tourism.